Hello everyone, welcome to Gmail tutorials. In this video we will see that how can you check your security activity of your Google account. So security activity basically is a log of all the activities that may hamper the security of your account. The actions that are taken and that are logged must only be taken by you, who is the owner of the Google account, and if it is taken by someone else, then it is a matter of concern. So all such actions are logged into a list known as the security activity. You can view this list from time to time just to make sure that your account is not accessed by any unauthorized person. So in this video we are going to see exactly that. First of all, make sure you are into your Google account. Go to the profile picture, click on manage your Google account. Once you are in there, in the left menu you will find the security option. Let's just click on that. Here you will find this recent security activity. Click on review security activity. So you will see that all of these activities were taking place into your account. For me there are only 3 logs. That's today, September 9th, when the password was changed. I changed my password recently, so that is being logged over here. And on 26th August 2022, when there were these 2 extensions that were added to the Gmail by me. So these 3 activities are like okay for me because I know that I have done them. If you find any kind of an unfamiliar activity, just click on this see unfamiliar activity. That will tell you what to do in such case. So if you just click on that, it allows you to say that okay, there is some activity that has happened in the past that you cannot recognize. So what we will do is we will change your password. So if someone has guessed your password, that means the password would be changed. They won't be able to access your account any longer. So this is a security measure that you can take, but I'm happy with it. There is no unfamiliar activity in my account. I'm not going to use this option. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching.